Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa, and today I just wanted to talk to you guys about some new Milani products that I've had here at home. I just haven't been able to review them. I actually haven't done a video in like over a month, I think. Just with everything going on, it's been a little crazy, and I think even a little bit before that, the kids were sick, and then all this started, and now I have 4 kids home from school and I'm still working, and so it's just been a lot. So anyways, but I have some products I just wanted to show you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What is this, girl? So please subscribe to my channel, and let's try the first new product. So the first product was the Milani Salt and Pepper collab that came out, like, I don't know, maybe it was like 2 months ago, maybe. But this one, I only got one of the colors. The other, even the eyeshadow palettes really didn't, like, you know, do anything for me, so I did not order those. This one is, it's Shoop Lip Kit. How cute. When you open the box, it says mic check 1 2 on there. So this is Salt and Pepper Shoop Lip Kit, and it is $11.99. And the other one that they have is the Push It Lip Kit. That one was red, and I'm not like really into reds, but this is one. I feel like I really enjoy Milani's lip products. Like, I love all the glosses, and I had like a nude lipstick. I don't even know what it was called, maybe natural or nude, and I just felt like it gave me that nasty line in the middle. So anyways, this is the lip liner, and it is, I don't even know if you can it is retractable, and it is brown, like just brown. It is so pretty. And then the lipstick is, are these both called? They're both called Shoop. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. They're different. There we go. You can see the difference. I think I would like the lipstick. Oh, and they smell good. They smell, oh, I got it on my nose. Almost like cake. Okay, so I'll try that on for you. Oh, my kids are quiet right now, and it's like, it's so nice. My husband's at work. Anyone else going crazy? I don't know. It's like really just like the thought of not being able, it says my hair, not able, like knowing you can't go out. I think, you know, even my kids, they're just dying to like go to like Target and walk around and just like shop. So they've been doing online shopping, or if you go to the store, we pick something up for them because they miss that. And I do too. I miss going to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and the mall after work on Fridays, after, you know, before I go pick them up. So I'm still working. I actually work for, I was working for a derm for 12-13 years. I left them, and I am working for my OB-GYN, and I've been with her for a little bit, but actually now with her full time. So I'm still working. We have to see our pregnant patients, so, and other patients with problems. So okay, so the lip liner is really brown. It is like Sakura brown, and I think I would like this. And it's a matte, but like a comfortable matte. I'm gonna mix those in. Oh, I don't know what they're watching downstairs. There's a lot of screaming though. On the show, not my kids. Okay, that's the color. I think it's really pretty. It's a little deeper than like I normally would wear, but maybe the lipstick on its own would be good. I've just been in a funk. I'm so tired. I don't know. I've been drinking a lot, and I think that's what makes me tired, is that I've actually been drinking a lot of wine. It's like just to be sane. It's like the stress of going to work and then the stress of being home with the kids and being a teacher. But, you know, Caprice is 19 and she helps with, we call her the first grade teacher. She's Romy's teacher. So she's a big help. And the other girls kind of like can do their stuff on their own, and we just kind of, you know, help them move along. And it's tough. It's tough. I look forward to, you know, being with my kids, and that's what I really like always say. Like, I always would say, I wish I could just homeschool my kids and like have them home with me all day. But then when you really do, it's like, oh, like I don't even know what to do. So anyways, now the other ones I'm gonna try, these are new, and these are their lip crayons. It's a matte lip crayon, and they're called Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayons. They're $8.99, and I got them in 2 shades, and this one is 140, So Obsessed, and 120, Can't Even, and they're so pretty. They are, so this one here it's a little deeper, and they are so smooth. They glide on so nice, and they do have a long wear. So and then this one's a little bit pinkier, like a mauvey pink. So the brown is the So Obsessed, and then the other one is Can't Even. Can you see it? There we go. Is it gonna focus now? Okay. Don't look at my hands. They're so dry from all the hand sanitizer and soap I've been using. Okay, so I don't know, and I've kind of been leery about filming videos too, because I don't know, it's just like, you know, about before this started, a couple weeks before this started, I kind of was like in a funk, like maybe I shouldn't be spending money. Like, my channel really isn't growing as fast as I would like it to, and then I'm like, why am I spending the money? You know, you just get down on yourself, and then, I mean, but it's just something I enjoy. I just like doing this. It's something that I enjoy. It's me time. So I finally was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. And today I said, oh, I think I have some motivation. And then I like laid on the couch for a little bit. And then I started like, I feel like every time I get to like sit down, someone else needs to eat. That's the thing. It's like everybody wants food all the time. All the time. I think I've spent this month like $1,000 on groceries, and it is crazy, just so crazy. Anyway, so I'm just venting. I can't even be with my friends. Last week, my friend and I, my friend Myra and I did like a FaceTime call where we drank, and we just had some wine, and we chatted for like 3 hours. So that was really nice, because we always you know, we're used to getting together every week or every other week. We haven't been able to. So, but actually she works with me, so I get to see her at work at least. Anyways, okay, and my friend is a grandma. She just had, her son just had a baby. Her son and his girlfriend just had a baby, and I can't even see her. And it's just so sad. Anyways, but she's adorable. She's been sending me lots of pictures, so at least I have that. Okay, so anyways, just feel like I haven't talked to you in so long. This is the darker one, and by itself it's too dark, so I just get it. It glides on so nice. If you see, like, it is just so nice. Okay, so that one is that, and it is kind of like a little, it looks a little cooler on my hand, but on my lips it does look a little warmer. And then I get this one, and I hit this all over. I actually was wearing this the other day when I was FaceTiming my sister, and she asked what I had on, and I mean, I had even had dinner already, so it had stayed on. And that's how I wear that. And I will leave that on for the rest of the video. So, yeah, anyways, these colors are great, both of them, and they last really long. I just don't like them by themselves, because this one's too pink, this one's too brown, but together they make like my perfect color. So those, I think, were worth it, totally. Okay, now the next thing I have is the Ludicrous Light Eye Toppers. And they had those eye toppers that came out a while ago, and they were called Hypnotic lights. And I'll show you the color I have and the color I got. So I just got one. A couple of the colors kind of didn't interest me. They're $10.99, and it is this little thing here. I got it in the color Peachella, and it looked like this iridescent, like peachy color, but on, like, when I swatch it on my hand, it looks really pink. And look at the doe foot, kind of has like that gold. I'll put it on my hand. It is very pink. It's really pretty though. There you can see how foiled and pink that is. So pretty. So then this is the Hypnotic lights, because they came out with it, like, you know, a while back. This is, I think these are just new colors. This one is in Luster Light, and this is my favorite. I use this so much, and it's like drying out. I should have ordered another one when I ordered this. And this one, because it's a little dry, so it looks a little chunky. And that one is Luster Light. It is such a like pretty champagne-y, but it kind of does have that iridescent like just shift to it. So I guess that, I don't know if it's just because it's, maybe I'll put pop a little, and I'm just gonna put it on with my finger. Just take a little bit like that. Maybe too much. And put it on in the middle. And just kind of blend it. I mean, it kind of doesn't go with my eye look, but it's just so you can see. I'm not going anywhere but to my couch. And that's another thing. Have you guys been getting dressed and ready? And oh, I've been watching some shows at night, like when the kids go to sleep. And my husband's a police officer. I don't think I've ever told you guys that Joe's a police officer, and he works nights. So when he gets home, I've been awake because I'm not waking up so early to take the kids to school. So we've been watching a lot of shows, so some nice time together. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It's pretty. It's pretty. I don't like it with this like eye look, but I think it's really pretty. But if you don't like such a pink color, get the Luster, I'm sorry, the Hypnotic lights, and then the Luster Light. That one is so pretty. It's like my favorite thing. And then this one, like I said, that one was Peachella. And then the last thing I got from them, actually, I just thought, because I'm home, the kids have a lot of Zoom calls, and I'm always on like FaceTime with, or Zoom calls with their teachers, and then also like family. So I just wanted to get something that I can put on my face like really quick in the morning instead of using like my foundation. So I got the new Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finished Cream to Powder foundation from them, and it is I I think they had, it was out before, but I think they reformulated it or something. I don't know, but it says it's new. It's new. And it was $10.99. And I got it in the color 225 natural. And how I found my color was they actually have like a selection. You can pick deep, medium, light, medium, or light for your skin tone category. And then so I did light, medium, and then I went like down. It has like a little there, and then it kind of goes darker as you go. So I got natural, medium with warm golden undertones, and it is my color. I mean, that's how dark it looks. It looked a little orange, like swatching, but there it is. I have this sunspot right here for some melasma or something that it just doesn't cover, and I haven't been able to see my esthetician, so that spot is, you know, needs to get lasered off. But so I have to like put concealer. So what I've been doing with this is put some concealer on. I actually use the Tatcha, this is their Soft Light, is it called Soft Light? It's that, it's an eye treatment, but actually it's like a tinted eye treatment. And it has like that water cream in it, so when you start rubbing you can feel it like kind of like burst, like the little water beads. So I use this, and it does give you some coverage, so I use this one, and then I will put like a little bit of concealer over that, and then I will put this all over my face. And then I felt like I kind of still need some powder, so I just, you know, do a little powder under my eyes, and then I go in with like a little bit of bronzer and blush, and then, you know, I might curl my lashes or something, and then I'll be done. But I don't like it. I feel like I thought that the cream to powder would be maybe longer lasting and then just a powder foundation. And then also, I don't know why I thought that, but then also keep me matte and not dry. I mean, not oil. Can't even talk. Not oily. But I find that after, you know, a few hours I am oily. I did wear this to work the other day, and me just like blowing my nose or something, it just totally rubbed off. So it doesn't last. It like wears off fast, where my foundation I think will stay on even after I blow my nose. The other day I was actually crying in the car, and my foundation was on and it stayed on, and like it didn't have the lines from, and it was the Stay Naked by Urban Decay and some Huda powder, and I swear it didn't come off. It was like waterproof. So this stuff I haven't really been enjoying. It does the job, but like not if you want a long-lasting makeup. So that's it for this video. What else do I say? Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, thanks for listening to me, and hope everybody is staying safe, and hope this is over so we can get out and get to our back to our normal lives soon. So thank you. Bye.